On May 17, 1954, the U.S. Supreme Court Justice Earl Warren delivered the unanimous ruling in the landmark civil rights case Brown v. Board of Education of Topeka, Kansas. This ruling dismantled constitutional laws barring people of color from sharing the same buses, schools, and other public facilities as whites, known as Jim Crow laws. In 1954, only 62 years ago, did the Supreme Court grant the rights to an equitable education for people of color and made the bold statement that segregated schools are inherently unequal. One would like to think that all school districts proceeded with deliberate speed to comply with this law. But for those of us who remember the civil rights portion of our history class, you know that many school and local officials defied the new law. It took an additional 10 years for the passage of the Civil Rights Act of 1964, backed by enforcement by the Justice Department, to truly see desegregation at scale. More than 10 years after the Civil Rights Act was passed, in 1976, the Supreme Court issued another landmark decision in Runyon v. McCrary, ruling that even private, non-sectarian schools that were continuing to deny admission to students on the basis of race were violating federal civil rights laws.